In today's episode, I want to give you the key points that is marketing automation, putting your marketing on autopilot so that you can have a constant flow of leads and be able to turn them into customers and clients. And I know once you put these key steps into place for your business, you're going to see some powerful returns for the amount of clients that you bring on board and your income. And it's proven because the PT Success Formula members that this is taken from are using this to double and triple their businesses in just weeks and months. So copy these steps and see the same results for yourself. So this is about getting you to stop doing manual marketing and to put it into automation, which is so important. It's going to save you a bucket load of time, but also importantly, it's going to leverage you, be able to grow a bigger list of raving fans and have more clients. This also goes into getting out of the time for money trap, selling on a one-to-one basis where you can start to sell on a one-to-many basis, meaning that you can bring on more clients, more customers faster. Because the problem of manual marketing is that you're talking on a one-to-one basis with everybody. And whilst this is fantastic to create close connections, it's not leverageable. And you want to be able to do this and replicate this to talk to one-to-many. You only have a certain amount of hours in the day, so you have to make the most of them. And this is what I want to get you to do, having more time off, but getting better results. And this is about really harnessing and using the power of marketing and online marketing so that you can be talking to hundreds, to thousands, even to millions of people all at once, delivering your unique message and being able to put them through the sales funnel that we've talked about before in previous episodes. So things like running online workshops, webinars, being able to book more sales appointments, building a list of raving fans, using email marketing to also do that, using content marketing to get yourself and your business and your message out there so that you're attracting the right people. And that uses lead magnets, using lead magnets in your social media, but also importantly, your website, because you're going to be drawing people back to your website, making it a hub, making it where the place, their go-to resource is for where they're going to want to get more answers. And the answers are coming from you and your business. And this starts at the very top of your sales funnel. We've now gotten that going for you. And then that means you can now start developing and creating and growing those relationships so it goes into new customers and clients. The automation factor comes in when using these key aspects of the right, say, email service provider, using something like MailChimp or Aweber or Ontraport or Infusionsoft, being able to use these simple plugins into your business so that you can start stepping away, concentrating on what you really need to grow your business. But this starts to add up into a big list of to-dos. There are a lot of questions that are probably coming up in your mind right now, and I understand because I want to be able to answer those quickly and effectively for you. And in a quick episode like this, I can't get all that information for you. So I've got an even better solution. Make sure that you click below and get the online workshop that I'm giving away right now, where I'm showing you the step-by-step way to become the go-to trainer. And this involves very heavily how you can get your marketing automation in place, working for you and your business without the hassles and without you taking so much time or money away from you. Because this really is important. You need to start working on your business, not in your business. And that means stepping away from just seeing clients the entire time that is working in your business. You can start bringing on trainers to work for you, whether face-to-face or online personal training, selling information products, putting people into a membership site and delivering content, delivering value, delivering results that way. Because you running your fitness business does not mean that you should be slaving from morning till night, trying to get 1,000,001 things to get done, but importantly, doing only what really counts. because this ultimately is the time for money trap that you're stuck in and that I was stuck in. So I want you to use the steps below in the online workshop that I'm giving you right now, and so that you can put it into place for your business.